empty space or blank document and choose 16:9 for YouTube. And third, add a media or some document. After choosing in audio, you need to add another media, audio, and you need to trim the first audio you add. After adding a media, you need to adjust it into smaller. And the space between them is you need to add a transitions. After trimming the first audio, we need to add second audio. And now we're gonna choose what transition we will use. So I will use classic and its crossfade. Next, we're gonna add text, and it's all up to you what you want to add the title. But I will gonna add the title about basic lesson about science. After adding it, we need to change the in animation and out animation. In animation, we're gonna choose letter by letter, and in out animation, we're gonna choose white down. After that, we're gonna add we're gonna trim first the media, and we're gonna add the outro. After choosing the outro, we're gonna next add the media we're gonna use and transition. The transition is presentation, the screen, we're going to see more. Add audio and music asset, and we're gonna choose misconception. Thanks for watching. Please like, share,